take this opportunity to express my gratitude for everyone taking the time to attend the Committee on Public Works' first hearing and organizational meeting today. I would like to stress my commitment that during this humble representation's chairmanship of this committee, we will practice utmost diligence in delivering public service. The Senate Committee on Public Rules, per the rules of the Senate, has jurisdiction over all matters of public infrastructure like the roads, bridges, ports, and others. Gusto po nating klaruhin at bigyan diin na hindi sakop ng ating komite ang pag-aaproba ng mga proposed infrastructure projects. Kung hindi, tayo po ay nakafocus sa ating mandato na gumawa ng polisiya at batas ukol sa infrastruktura na mas magpapaginhawa at makakatulong sa ating mga kababayan. According to the Institute for Management and Development's 2025 World Competitive Ranking, the Philippines' infrastructure competitiveness is ranked 60 among 69 surveyed countries. Similarly, the Philippine Institute of Development Studies highlighted the country is also lagging in terms of tourism infrastructure compared to its Southeast Asian counterparts. Malinaw po sa mga datos na itong nahuhuli na ang ating bansa pagdating sa infrastruktura. We just do not need simple infrastructure projects. We need well thought out, coordinated, and contextualized infrastructure projects that specifically respond to the needs of our people and our country as an archipelago.